Jordan, and I'm going to show you my new puppy and the routine for us. So first we wake up, then he goes outside. I don't think you need to want to wash him. So I'm going to leave him so he can use the bathroom, and then we're going to go check the mail. My most favorite part is checking the mail. The mail is fun to check, but I've never done it and left the puppy. He's only a couple weeks old and stuff, so that's one reason why I don't like leaving him. And his name is Marshmallow. Of course, he's a boy. He's cute and adorable. Here, I'll show you a close-up view. See? Now he's gonna grow up big and strong, ready to go in and eat. So we're gonna go inside and eat. So that's one part. Let's go. Fun. Okay, you're gonna explore. Fun. Well, we're gonna explore, then we're gonna go in and eat. We'll be right back. Now we are coming inside. He just got done using the bathroom. There's my precious little boy. Go on. Well, my other one. Now we're gonna go eat. Come on. I have to get his food ready. Just gotta dump this old food out. Just gonna drink some water. So I'm gonna dump this out and I'll be right back again. Now I'm gonna make his food and give him some more water. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make his food like I do. Because you have to make puppy food a certain way. So first I have to get some water for him to drink. Then I'm gonna hand that to him first thing. So there's him some water. And let's see. Now, there goes that. No, you can't get up here with me. Now, I'm gonna set this right here. Now I gotta get up there. Okay. So get some regular old hard dog food. That's my dog Bernie's. And I'm just gonna get 2 handfuls. So there's 1 handful. And there's 2 handfuls of puppy food. So now that I have 2 handfuls of puppy food, I need to turn this to hot water. You have to have it on hot water or it won't work as well. There's the doggy food. Looks kind of like cereal. I think it does. You could prank someone with this, like, you know. This hot water isn't turning on. I had to put water into the microwave. There we go, it's hot. So now you add some of that, like that much, and it will bubble. So don't be worried, because of course I've done this a lot. I pour a little bit of the water out because I put a tiny bit more than I needed to. Let's see, there we go. And you let it see here, and add another handful of doggy food. So I don't think he's ate this morning, and it's already 11:54. So we're going to make him some mushy food. And we have to let it sit there for a while. Like, let it sit there and cook in a way, but not. So for right now, we're gonna just do a couple of fun things. I'm gonna show you a close-up picture of my kitty cat. Kitty. Hello, baby. I love him. So what we're gonna do is feed my cat, because he has dog food in him. What's in the cat apples? First, let's find the cat food. Found it. It's inside our big, gigantic, I'm gonna come back here so you can see, big, gigantic cabinet. I love it so much. That's the dog food and stuff. Ew, I just don't want doggy food. Here's the dog treats that has a song. Then you have kitty food. Are you ready, kitty? Ciao. And my cat is a boy. Basically, I'm showing you about all my animals. The next would be my baby, Bernie. And he's not really a baby. He's a full-grown adult dog, probably. He is a long-haired Chihuahua, and I poured a tiny bit too much food. So I'm just gonna do like always, scoops him out. He has to have a lot of food or he will not eat. So basically, yes, that. Go on, Kibby, eat. My cat's name is Kibby. It's been Tinker, Tigger, Kibby, Kibby Meow Meow, anything you could possibly think of that sounds like a cat name. So now we're gonna go find the puppy. Where is he at? Found him. Okay, now here's my dog Bernie. He just came out of the rain. It just got done raining, didn't it? Mwah, mwah, mwah. And here's the puppy. Come on. Come on. I'm going to turn the light off. Come in here and see if the food's almost done. Just gonna do that. See, it starts to get a lot mushier. Because like the food absorbs the water. Look, I'll get some more. Now that water looks really nasty. It was clean old water, but now it looks nasty because there's dog food in it. Still gonna let that sit. And now, I am going to eat. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat a pickle. A pickle. I'll take that. So, I'm going to turn this around and get me a pickle. Okay, let's see. I just got to find something to get the pickle out with. There we go. I can just get it out with a knife. Which will work really good. Never do this without adult supervision. My pickle fell. It's really hard to get a pickle out with one hand. So I'm just going to sit it down like this. And get the pickle out. Got it. So now that I've got the pickle out, I'm going to put it on something. Got a plate. Okay, got the pickle on a plate. Now I'm gonna close the lid better. Yes, I am doing this really slow because like I never really do videos and stuff. Just like I don't know. Just don't know why. Most of the time people are around me and I hate doing videos of people around me. So now most of the people are at work and stuff. So me and the puppy are going to sit here and play. Where did your bunny go? What you doing, Kibby? We gotta find your bunny before we can play. Let's see. Yeah, let's play tug of war, if you will. Apparently, in the next video, I'm definitely gonna switch my camera. Me and the puppy are sitting here, and I'm rubbing its tummy, and it likes it. Oh no, my toe. Let's go check on that puppy food of yours. Oh no, you fell. Hey, Bernie. His puppy food is quite right. Bernie, be nice. My dog is really mean to my puppy. Let's eat, baby. You gonna play with me? Or am I gonna catch you and make you eat? Because I bet you're hungry. Go ahead, eat. I know you love drinking that water. So, it's been 10 minutes. So, in the next video, I am going to be doing some morning things and everything. So basically, I'm going to go outside, walk around, probably, and then do all kinds of different stuff in the next video. See y'all later. Bye-bye.